Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, mud guards, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, first aid kit. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.